Hi, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Toyota Kluger. Stock reference number 5901. This shape ran from the 5th of 2007 to the 2nd of 2014. It has a 2.6R-FE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed all-wheel drive auto transmission. Here we have our 2.6R-FE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, 3 dents. Left rear door, 2 dents, 2 scratches. 1 scratch dent, good private. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre. Left rear wheel, left rear tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Gear stick, auto gear shifter, heated AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, courtesy light, tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with audio and cruise buttons.